WildBrain!
Yeah, we love mega machines. They're the coolest things that you've ever seen. Yeah, we love mega machines. They're the coolest things that you've ever seen. Yeah, we love mega machines. Yeah, we love mega machines. Yeah, we love mega machines. Yeah.
Grabbers. They're on pretty much every construction site. They grab, they carry, and move huge piles of construction material. There are big grabbers and small grabbers. Some have tracks, and others are on cranes. Today, Greg is stacking tires for his boss.
Hi, I'm Greg the Grabber. I'm an adapted four-wheel drive Avant 200 series loader with a hydraulic boom and a unique grapple. Today, I'm stacking tires. Let me just lower this one here. There we go. Boom! Gosh, dang it all. That's not lined up at all. Yeah. Let me fix this. Huh, all right. Easy now, Greg. Easy now. Let's go, let's go. Gotcha. Easy now, Greg. Easy now. Let's get this perfect. Nailed it. Gosh darn it. The third tire fell off the top. Namaste. Let's move to a more secure location. Let's back it up. Nearly there. Smashed it. Ah, geez, I'm running out of time. Better keep stacking. I've got 2 more tires to go. Oh, man. I dropped one. Come on, Greg. Get it together. Come on, Greg. Greg, you can do this. Let's get this 4th tire stacked. Darn it, Greg, get it together, man. I need to up my game. Time is of the essence. Ah, Greg mad. Let's try a different location. Here we go. Still have 2 more tires to go. Come on, Greg. You got this, son. Boom! 1 more to go. Let's get this done. Gently. Release! Right. Now, let's quickly deliver the tires to the boss lady. There's not much time. Come on, Greg, you're so close. Gosh dang it! Timber! Well, we'll make it next time. We live and learn.
Mega machines, like people, come in many different shapes and sizes. And they all have their uses. Sometimes they dig for treasure. Hi, I'm Trevor. Oh yeah, first time. Gosh dang it. I need 7 bars. Woohoo, gotcha. Six to go. Oh no, I dropped it. Oh. Well, all right, here it comes. There we go. Let's keep on trucking. need 5 more. All right, 2 down. Whew. Only 3 more bars to go. This is a tricky one. Gotcha. Two more down. Nearly there. I just need 1 more. Oh, I found 3. Oh no, they slipped right through my fingers. Let's try it again. Oh. Second time lucky. This is very difficult, but I'm not giving up. I can do this. Gotcha. Done. I wonder how Greg the Spinner is doing.
Hey, I'm Greg the Spinner. Here they go. Are you ready? It's spinning time! My scope is 6 meters long. I can fit so much stuff in it. Now, back the other way. All right, let's stop before they get too dizzy. Well, that was fun, guys. We'll catch you next time. I wonder how lofty the crane is doing.
Cranes are normally the tallest mega machines on the building site. There are lots of different types of cranes, and they have lots of different purposes. But they all go up, and they all go down. Hey, I'm Lofty. Today I'm going up. Up we go. I can extend my lift arm to 20 meters in length. I think I can still go higher. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's see how high I can get. Is that high enough yet? Nope, we are going further. Oh, don't look down. It's really high up here. Wow! I can see a boat driving around in circles. Down we go. Hold on. My lift works with hydraulics. Isn't that clever? Nearly there. We got so high. That was so cool, guys. Wow.